Serena.
Sige. At tapos, challenge ito ay make your dance step. Okay. This time, we will having, truth or dare. Okay. Thank you for watching.
Tapos dahil.
No.
Nagkamba ka.
And then, advertise it! One day, there was a mermaid with a fancy hair. I am the mermaid with a fancy hair. Because, what kind of hair do you have? You look like a big mistake. Oh my God. Masakit. Ngayon, we will have our truth or dare, but we will just pick back boom. Okay, right now. Friends, we will have pick back boom, truth or dare, pick back boom, pick back boom, pick back boom. Okay. Who wins? Who wins, papel or beto?
Papel.
Papel, sige. What is your? Ask me. Truth or dare?
Yes. Truth or dare?
Dare.
Eat.
Eat what?
Parang maisip. Ha? Scripted. Okay, magtuko-tuko ka.
What is that? I don't understand.
Lizard.
Lizard. Okay, cameraman. Can you take this video? How should I tuko-tuko? Come on. Tuko! 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 That is tuko-tuko! Oh my God! Don't laugh! Your hair is loosened! Your hair is loosened! Okay. Pick back! Wait! Cameraman!
Ikaw lang ko na permente.
Ayaw.
Ikaw lang permente.
Ikaw is scripted.
Umuwi ka, dili Alejandro.
Alejandro.
And this
That
is
our
Ken.
boyfriend, Alejandro. He's the father of my daughter.
My daddy.
Okay. Now, pick back boom. This is the humble of Albert. Albert the Bester, are you there? Hashtag Albert the Bester, because Albert the Bester is not here. He is
A videographer.
he is where is that? He is in a vacation at America, USA. Okay, pick back boom.
America.
Pick back boom. Oh my God, I won. I lost. What is there? What? Another one. That's
Tuko-tuko pa rin.
oh my God. No.
Tuko pa rin.
No.
There.
What?
There, in that area.
Is that a snake?
No, tuko-tuko.
Tuko. Oh my God.
Tuko-tuko
My hair.
in snake style.
Oh my God. How should I do?
And Serena style. Just do it.
Okay. This is his father, her. What is that one?
That's, I know na.
This is his father's things. We will put it under her bag.
So her father.
Okay, my day challenge is Tuko lizard, and Serena style. Okay, and snake style. Okay, and the mermaid style, we will camera there. There, you should cut me there. Camera. Okay, and Tuko style, ganito yung Serena. On. Taka! Wait, that is our boyman fixing his breath.
Wait. You must use this.
Ayan.
This is Jenny. This is...
Okay, I will be having my choco style in mermaid way. Choco! 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 Oh my god, the music cannot warm up. Oh, choco! Okay! And now, we will be having my choco in snake style.
Thank you.
Where should I? There or here? Okay.
Again, this is Alejandro, the father of Grace.
Oh my God. Choco.
And this is Colleen, the mother of Grace. The mother of Pau.
Don't dare.
Grace, you introduce your family.
This is my ate.
And now, let us proceed to the staff and production. This is our boarding house. Can you capture me here? There. And you want to see our CR?
Ate, balik ko na to.